If fixing one bug means touching a dozen files, you're in trouble. Then you've got a classic case of shotgun surgery. This is a common code smell. Shotgun surgery is when a single change needs modifications in multiple places, making maintenance a nightmare. It's like playing whack-a-mole with your code. Every fix reveals another problem. Instead, aim for cleaner design where changes are localized. Keeping related changes in one spot saves time and avoids headaches. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for joining us at Tech Lake Systems University. Keep coding smart.